The morning after Diwali, the festival of lights, residents of New Delhi woke up under a blanket of toxic smog and breathed in the most dangerously polluted air of the year so far, after revelers as usual defied a fireworks ban. New Delhi has the worst air quality of all world capital, but even by its sorry standards, Friday's reading was extra bad as people paid the price for celebrating India's biggest festival in the noisiest and most smoky way. The air quality index surged to 451 on a scale of 500, the maximum recorded this year, indicating severe conditions that affect healthy people and seriously impacts those with existing diseases, according to the Federal Pollution Control Board's guidance. In India, toxic air kills more than 1 million people annually. Every year, either government authorities or India's Supreme Court impose a ban on firecrackers. But the bans rarely appear to be enforced, making matters worse. Diwali falls in period when farmers in the Delhi's neighbouring states of Punjab and Haryana burn the stubble left after harvesting to prepare the fields for the next crop. Sick of the lack of commitment to making the capital more livable, Amrish Mittal, a doctor at the Max Healthcare Hospital in New Delhi, vented his frustration over the deteriorating AQI readings. Taking it to Twitter, he wrote, "It's terrible for those with allergies and asthma. We will continue to squabble over reasons and are doomed to suffer."